Hello everyone, it's Varan here. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to translate your theme and what are the supported languages and where you are getting limited, and if you need some help, how you can contact us, or what exactly you can do for yourself. First of all, BuddyX Pro theme is translation ready. You can run your community in any language available in the written terms. So what you have to do here, inside the BuddyX Pro, once your WordPress is installed in your own language, by default BuddyX Pro support these languages: German, Portuguese, Korean, Chinese, French. So we have already provided a translation file as a PO and MO for these languages. So these are contributed by our friends. We have used them and they are pretty synced. And we have also a master copy of pot file. So this pot file help you to generate any available language in the world in which WordPress has support. So if WordPress has support, then you can also use it with the BuddyX Pro. What you have to do for this one, we have already included in our guides. You only have to install one extra plugin, which is Loco Translate. And with the help of Loco Translate, you are getting a flexibility to use any available language. And how you have to do that one, I'm going to demonstrate here. First, install Loco Translate. Seems like that is taking time. Let's download from WordPress.org directly. Download. Okay, it's here now. Now we can also install it from here. Okay, once the plugin is installed, you have to activate it and you will find a menu for the Loco Translate. And from there, you can have to select themes, and inside the theme, you will find BuddyX Pro. And you can find that there's already these translations are available. And for a new language, so suppose that you are going to for Arabic. Okay, you just have to select this one. For the location point of view, always use this last. This is the system location, language themes BuddyX Pro. So this is the safest location for any translation. If you are going keep using Loco Translate, then you can go with this option. Else, I will always suggest to go in this one. You never have to use this author option, because in that way the language file will be created within the theme, and once you update the theme, you will lose all your translated strings. So first click on the start translation, then you will find all the strings what you have here, and then you can start translating them. I just include the translation from this one, and there's an auto translation option also here. And how exactly work, you have to include API keys, and that will automatically translate all the strings for the BuddyX Pro in your specific language. So you can use Google Translate API key, Deep Translator API key, or the Microsoft Translator API key. And normally we use Loco Translate. I think it's on my another system. There's a pot plugin or extension. We say it as a PoEdit. Yeah, I have here. Okay, this also help you to translate any available strings for the plugin or theme. So you can also request us any translation files, and our support can also provide them. So suppose that you need for Arabic, you just have to ping us, or you can generate yourself. So here you are getting option like this one. Select the theme files, and once the theme file will be selected, you just have to select which language in which you are going to translate. And once you select this one, then it will generate all the translated string, and you only have to come here and upload your translation string. Here, themes and BuddyX Pro, and upload PO file. Once you upload, then it will be also available here. So these are the things how you can use your community in different languages. So this setup will help you to translate not only the BuddyX Pro, any available plugin what you are using, including BuddyX Pro, BuddyPress, all the add-ons what we are offering, including the reaction add-on, Activity Share Pro, everything can be translated. So all the plugins what we are offering, they are translation ready. All the themes what we are offering, they are also translation